Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to install Grok 3 on Windows 11. So guys, after go to this website, go to this option try Grok, and after that guys you find this option here and click install, as you can see here guys, and after that click yes and click sign up from here. And after that guys, you will access to your Gmail account. Just await to verifying this option, and it is successfully verified, and click this continue with your Gmail account guys. As you can see here, write your Gmail account or can sign up with Gmail, and click your my Gmail here and click continue. And from here guys, go to this option and go to this wait guys, cast and save, and click wait guys. This is Grok. It's installed successfully on Windows guys, and you can use easily without any problems. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Any question down below in the